this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for Multi-Photo Monday where we take 2 or more photos and turn it into something. So it was my challenge today, and this is one of the photos that I took when I was in New York City a while back. And I decided that because it was all fall and goodness and just all those bright colors and everything and the fall colors in there, I wanted to get out all of my pumpkin spice photos that I have taken just in this year alone and get them into my layout. So I took this color of these three different colors and turned it all in there. The Distressed Oxide, I know that one is Barnyard. This one is Striped Pumpkin or something pumpkin that I'm working with. And then the yellow is something about straw, something or another. I forgot to keep them out. I was putting everything up because I was making layout after layout after layout. And then I needed to get all these editing, and I was like, I forgot to leave them. So what you can do with the Distressed Oxide is that you can actually turn quite a bit of this into water and get a really good water basic color. And that's what I'm working on. And you'll see me work on it a little bit more. And then I do off camera, I get a little bit more of the colors up and ready to go. And then I come in with my Baby's Breath from Shimmers and give it that little bit of a shimmer look. So I have 3 photos. The photos are of me drinking coffee and all that. And the stamp set that I'm using is available from now until the end of the month for September. And it's called Perk Up. And it's Z3537 is where you can get the Thinlet and the stamp set, or if you're just wanting the stamp set, it's C1799, and I'll link everything down below. Now, I did distress with a brown because I wanted to bring in some of the brown that is in that layout as well. And I don't get out any papers. I just go to town on my stamps and get it into my coffee journaling. I did finally fill up my coffee journaling book. This is the very last one, so I get to start a new one. I'm so excited because that's kind of like a full year's worth of my photos going in there of all about my coffee stuff. I think that's pretty awesome. So I do get my Archival Black out from Close to My Heart, and I do use that quite a bit along with a few others. I do use this brown. I do make it my cover just so it looks like it's a coffee. And you do see the black ring around it, but that doesn't bother me. I don't mind it. I think it looks really good that way. And now I'm just placing all those down, and now I come in with the hearts, and I'm just placing the hearts everywhere. Now I make this my background mixed media because I do essentially bring in my pictures and I just glue them down after I edge them with the brown or the orange, one of the colors. I can't remember what. And I'm just going through everything. At first I thought I was just going to do the hearts in the red, and then I do come back in with the other colors once I get these done. And that's how I'm going to place my photos. I'm not doing any journaling or any of that sort. The title is going to say it all. That's why I love it. And that one says Happy Pumpkin Spice Season. And I love that saying. And that one is all about happy sweater weather. Now, it just finally got cold. And then, of course, other things are going to come into play and we're going to get warm again. Yippee yippee. But at least I've been, it's been getting semi-cold. So now I'm coming in with the coffee ring that they give. It's just this little one, and I'm just going to dot it up everywhere. It's just my background piece, and that's what I absolutely love about this piece. It looks amazing. Just amazing. And I'm just going through, making sure it's all there. Make sure that you check down below on who you are going to see next. Obviously, it's like a little bit of a hop is how Becky has set this up now. So there's only one link down below. So you got to click on that link to get yourself somewhere, to go to the next one. And then it just circles around. Obviously, my still shots are at the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe to everybody so that you can always get it. We do upload every third Monday of every month on our multi-photo Mondays. And now that's pretty much it. Now I'm pretty much to the end. Now I come in and I do get these put down. And then I do come in. I thought, I was like, you know what? I'm going to do it. So I'm going to, I haven't edged my layouts lately. So that's what I'm doing there. Or my pictures. And so now I'm going to glue them down there to make sure that that looks good. And I come in with my glue. I do use the Tombow because there's so much shimmer and everything to this that I want to make sure that it works well. And then I do place all these down. And then I cut it and I put it into my final spot in my book. And I'm super duper excited. That coffee cup says Crazy Pumpkin Spice Lady. And I am. I'm crazy about it. I love it. And I am a crazy person when it comes to the pumpkin spice. I have like my way of things of doing during the wintertime. And then the summer, it doesn't bother me too much what I drink. But I was going to cut it. And then I was like, wait a minute. I can go get my other thing. And so I get it cut out. And I make sure that it all looks good. And I cut it. And then you'll see how I do the rest of this. And like I said, this is pretty much the end of it. And there's the end of that. My notebook that you see right here is from Beth Solar at Rock Your Notebook. I love her notebooks. Those are the only type of notebooks that I love to get, especially for mixed media. Because I place a lot of mixed media on these pages too. Sometimes I do this where I get the watercolor and I'll gesso up and prime this. So that it doesn't run into the other, or I'll put it in there. Either way. So here are the still shots. You see me put this last in. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!